This is the way to disassemble a polyester wing. Loosen the tightening cords at the back of the wing. Remove the wing battens. Release the wide tubes from the boom and turn them beside the front tubes. Remove the front tube extensions. Remove the cross tube. Lift the wing by holding from the boom so that both wing halves are hanging down. Place the folded wing on the ground. Fold the wing one more time by grabbing from the boom and turning it until it's parallel with the front tubes. Roll the wing around the frame. Attach the rubber band around the wing and lock it with the plastic lock.